Welcome to the Discovery Genomics COVID-19 Self-Collection Kit instructional video. Watch this video before you collect your sample. Be sure to only collect and return your sample on a weekday to ensure that it is received at our lab within 48 hours. If you have any questions, please call our support line at 1-877-380-1776. Create an account on the web at www.dxcovid.com and register your kit using the 8-digit code on the collection tube, item C. Be sure to record your username and password for your records. Fill and sign the registration form. Item A. We will not be able to process your kit unless it is registered. Wash your hands with soap and water or an alcohol-based solution for at least 20 seconds. Clean the surface where you will be collecting the sample with the enclosed alcohol pad. Item B. Step 1. Fill out the tube, item C, and biohazard bag, item E, with your legal full name and date of birth. In case of an accidental spill, the collection tube, item C, contains non-toxic saline and can be cleaned with a household towel. Step 2. The collection tube, item C, contains non-toxic saline. Unscrew the cap of the tube, taking care not to spill the contents. Place the tube on a flat surface. Step 3. Open the swab, item D. Pick it up from the end. Do not touch the tip to any surface. If the swab tip touches any surface outside the tube, it could affect the results. In case this happens, dispose of the test in the trash. Step 4. Position your head slightly back and insert the entire tip of the swab, item D, usually 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch, inside the left nostril. The swab tip should be rubbed in a circular path, applying moderate pressure against as much of the nasal wall of the nose region as possible. Perform 4 sweeping circles and hold in the nostril approximately 15 seconds. Step 5. Remove the swab, item D, from left nostril and repeat steps on right nostril, removing the swab when finished. Do not dip the nasal swab into the collection tube before inserting it in your nose for sample collection. Step 6. Insert the swab tip down into the collection tube without touching any surface. Step 7. Break off the extra part of the swab stem by bending the swab till you hear a snapping sound. The swab tip must be shorter than the tube and must fit completely into the tube. Screw the lid on tightly. Step 8. Invert the collection tube, item C, to check for leakage before placing it in the biohazard bag, item E, and seal the biohazard bag. Be sure not to remove the absorbent sheet from the biohazard bag. Step 9. Wash your hands with soap and water or an alcohol-based solution for 20 seconds. Step 10. If your kit is not registered online and/or does not have the enclosed registration form, item A, we will not be able to provide results. Ship immediately at room temperature. Step 11. First, put the biohazard bag, item E, containing the tube, item C, into the larger box, item G. Then, place your registration form, item A, into the same box and close it. Step 12. Second, put the box, item G, into the prepaid FedEx shipping mailer, item H. Save your patient reference card, item F, for your records. Step 13. Finally, on the day that you collect your sample, return it to us by dropping it off at a FedEx drop-box or at another authorized FedEx drop-off location. Step 14. If you are unable to find a FedEx drop-box, you can arrange for a one-time pickup by calling FedEx at 1-800-463-3339. Thank you for using Discovery Genomics COVID-19 Self-Collection Kit.